Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Shift4 Payments. Review my usage experience. Shift4 Payments Review My Usage Experience offers a review and analysis of Shift4 Payments, a payment processing service for businesses. Its main purpose is to help businesses assess the suitability of Shift4 Payments for their needs, considering factors like fees, features, and reliability. The target audience is business owners and managers researching payment processing solutions. Key features, according to online information, include integrated payment gateways, various payment options, and potentially robust reporting tools. Their website provides details on their comprehensive suite of payment processing solutions. Shift4 Payments aims for ease of use and claims transparent pricing, although specific details vary depending on the chosen plan. They emphasize their advanced technology and security features, designed to protect against fraud. Availability is widespread, but specific details on regional coverage are best found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Shift4 Payments. I needed to evaluate a new payment processor for my small online store. Getting started was straightforward, the onboarding process was well documented and their support team answered a few initial questions via email within hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive, although initially, I was a little overwhelmed by the sheer number of features. I specifically appreciated the detailed reporting tools, which allowed me to easily track sales and identify trends. The system's performance was excellent, transactions processed quickly and reliably. I had one minor hiccup with a specific API integration, but their support team provided a helpful solution within a day, sending a step-by-step guide. I was really impressed by how quickly they responded and how clearly the solution was explained. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick transaction overviews. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but once I familiarized myself with them, they were very useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Shift4 Payments. It's a powerful and flexible system that has streamlined my payment processing significantly. That's my overview of Shift4 Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.